we can get some views on that.
You think you will?
Yeah, that view that 9:55. Let's see what this thing look like. All right, turn some light on. Let me see.
Still the parking lot, still the view you don't have. This ain't the lake.
9:55.
This ain't the lake, Glenn.
Huh?
It's the same view you would have had. You just higher up.
Open that. Let's see. Open that. With that open.
Yeah. It's the same view you would have had. Just you higher up.
View I would have had where at?
If you was in the villa.
Nah, the villa had a tree.
Well, it had little shrubs down.
Nah, this is it's a better view.
So you'd have been staying right down there.
But we was on the floor.
On the floor.
And a big tree, sticker bush tree. And they call it in the country.
Look, I stayed in the ones over here.
The birds. Which one? Let me see what else this room look like. Oh, you got your refrigerator here.
Yeah.
We need a microwave. Ain't got no microwave.
In the other ones, huh? The big ones. Call for our stuff. Oh, you just pick a number.
This is a closet. So there go your extra cover pillow you be looking for all the time.
I think Lisa and Lee want to come.
Maybe. That's a nice one. Open that thing. Oh, okay. Man, it's hard to get out of this tub. Oh, this is a shower.